that is area of triangle when 3 vertices are given, and next is to show that the 3 points are polyhedral. The next type of problem in determinants is finding the value of k given the area of triangle. Say the first one, find the value of k. If area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 1. So this will be asked for 2 marks. Right? So what is the problem here? Find the value of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 1. See, I take that area is given, that is 4 square units and vertices I take as a as k, 0, b as 4, 0 and c is 0, 2. Right? So now, what is the area of triangle formula? So that is area of triangle is half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Right? So now the coordinates of A is x1, y1, coordinates of B is x2, y2, coordinates of C is x3, y1. So you can interchange. You can take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, this as x3, y3. Or you can take C as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, C as x3, y3. It doesn't matter, right? The answer will be same. So this determinant value, area of triangle, when we expand by interchanging x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, sometimes we are getting area of triangle as positive, sometimes we are getting area of triangle as negative, depending on x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So area of triangle is 4 square units. But here I will write plus or minus 4 because when we expand these determinants, we may get positive or we may get negative, right? So this is the reason area of triangle when they are given, in order to get the value of k, always you have to take the area of triangle as plus or minus, because when we expand this determinant, that answer will be positive or negative. So area of triangle is plus or minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into CL. So determinant of x1, so that is x1 is k, 0, 1, x2 that is 4, 0, 1, x3 that is 0, 2, 1. Is it clear? Right, so now multiply this 2, cross multiply, 2 into plus or minus 4 is plus or minus k. Now expand this, that is k into determinant of, leave this column, leave this row, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1. Then 0 into anything will be 0 into anything will be 0 plus 1 into determinant of, when we multiply this 0 to anything, the answer will be 0, right? Then plus 1 into, leave this column, leave this row, 4, 0, 0. 4, 0, 0. Right, so now expand this. Now plus or minus k is equal to CL. So k into bracket, 0 into 1 is 0 minus 2 into 1 is 2. Right, so this will be 0 plus 1 into 4 into 2 is 8 minus 0. I am expanding the determinant, already know how to expand it. That is plus or minus 8 is equal to k into, this is minus 2k. 1 into 8 is 8. When it is plus or minus 8, once we have to equate it to plus 8, once we have to equate it to minus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to plus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8. So then bring this 2k here. Bring this 2k here, 8 here. So minus 2k will become plus 2k, 8 minus 8 is 0. So what is the value of k? Now bring this 2k here, 8 here. Minus 2k will become plus 2k. 8 plus 8 is 16. So what is the value of k? So therefore we are getting two values of k. That is k is 0 and k is 8. Right? So take the area of triangle is given. Take the three vertices as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of triangle take it as plus or minus 4 and substitute here and expand it. We will get the answer. So we are getting two values of solve one more problem. Solve one more problem. Next problem. Find the area of triangle whose area is 35 square units and vertices are 2, -6, 5, 4 and k, 4. Same, the concept is same. Area of triangle is 35 square units, right? So 35 square units and vertices are 2, -6, 5, 4 and k, 4. Here also the same. Area is 35 square units. The coordinates of A is 2, -6. Coordinates of B is 5, 4. Coordinates of C as k, 4. Right? So what is the area? So area formula is 1/2 into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y2. Right, so what is area? Area is 35. Already I told you we should take that plus or minus 35, which is equal to 1/2 into determinant of this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y2. So what is x1? x1 is 2 -6 1. x2 is 5 4 1. x3 is k 4 1. Substitute the value of x1 y1, 2 -6 1, x2 y2 5 4 1, x3 y3 k 4 1. Now expand this. Now cross multiply this. 35 into 2, that is plus or minus 70 is equal to 2 into right. So leave this column, leave this row. 4 1 4 1. Right, minus into minus plus 6, new this column, new this row, 5 1 k 1. So minus into minus plus 6, new this column, new this row, 5 1 k 1 plus 1 into determinant of new this column, new this row, new this column, new this row, 5 4 k 4. Right, so now expand. So now plus or minus 70 is equal to CL. Now 2 into bracket, 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 6 into bracket, 5 into 1 is 5 minus k into 1 is k plus 1 into bracket, see plus 1 into bracket, 5 into 4, right? So 5 into 4 is 20 minus k into 4 is 4. Already know how to expand the determinant. So plus or minus 70 is 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, plus 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into minus k minus 6k, right? So plus 1 into 20 is 20, 1 into minus 4k minus, right? So therefore plus or minus 70 is equal to, see, 30 plus 20 is 50, minus 6k minus 4k minus 10. Now we have to equate to first plus 70, that is 50 minus 10k is equal to 70, and similarly 50 minus 10k is equal to, once we have to equate it to plus 70 and one more we have to equate it to minus 70. So bring this 10k here and 70 here. Minus 10k will become plus 10k. Now it is 50 minus 70, 50 minus 70 is minus 20. What is the value of k? Minus 10k, if you take it on the right hand side, that will become plus 10k. 50 minus 70 is minus 20. What is k value? Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 1. So similarly here, so minus 10k will become plus 10k, that is 50 minus 70 will become plus 70, that is 10k is equal to 50 plus 70 is 120. What is the value of k? 120 by 10 is 4. So therefore we are getting two values of k. So that is 10k is 120, k value is 120 by 10 is 4. So we are getting two values of k. that is k is equal to -2 and k is equal to 12. So this is one type of problems where we can expect 2 marks. And there is one more type in the same segment, so that is finding the equation of a line. Right? So they are given the 2 points. So how to find the equation of a line? In first year coordinate geometry, when 2 points are given, we have a formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That we already know. But by using the concept of determinant, we have to find the equation of a line. So that problem we will see. Next. Next one. Next, find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line. So this may also ask for 2 marks. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using the concept of determinants. That is using determinants. Right? Find the equation of a line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Take the 2 points as A and B, that is A as 1, 2 and B as 3, 6. Right? So I will consider C. Let us consider C of the coordinate. I will consider one more point. Already A and B is left here. So this is A point and this is B point. I will consider one more point C on the same line joining A and B. Right? So let us consider C is equal to x, y. Be any point on the line joining AB. So I am considering one more point C. So C, which is on the line joining A and B. So this implies here. So this implies the A, B, C are collinear. Is it clear? Because I am considering point C on the line AB, then point A, B, C are on the same line. So therefore A, B, C are collinear. That is points A, B, C. Right? So the points A, B, C are collinear. So I am considering already there is a line joining A and B. There is a line joining A and B. I am considering a point C of coordinate x, y to be any point on the line joining AB. It is a point on the line joining AB. So therefore, if I consider point C is a point on line AB, so this implies the points A, B, C are collinear. Right? So therefore, coordinates of A is x1, y1, coordinates of B is x2, y2, and coordinates of C is x3, y3. Right? So then what is the area of triangle? The area of triangle C is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y2, 1. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is 0. Why it is 0? The 3 points are collinear. So when 3 points are collinear, there is no formation of triangle. When there is no triangle, area of triangle will be 0. So since the points are collinear, is there any formation of triangle? So there is no triangle. So therefore area will be 0. Already explained in the last class. When 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0. Right? So area of triangle is 0, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1. What is x1? It is 1. Y1 is 2 and 1. x2, y2. What is x2, y2? 3, 6, 1. x3, y3. What is x3, y3? x3, y3. It is xy. Right? So 1 by 2 into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 9, x3, y3, 1. x1, y1. So that is 1, 2, 1. x2, y2. 3, 6, 1. x3, y3. xy1. Then cross multiply these two. So when we cross multiply, see, when we cross multiply 2 into 0 is 0. Cross multiply these two. 2 into 0 is 0. What is left here? So that is 1, 2, or you can expand on the right hand side. So this cross multiply 0. So that is 1 into determinant of CL. If you leave this column, leave this row. 6, 1, y1. Next, minus 2 into determinant of CL. Minus 2 into, the sign is minus, use this column, use this row. 3, 1, x1. So then plus 1 into determinant of CL. Use this column, use this row. 3, 6, xy. Is it clear, students? So I am multiplying this, cross multiplying this 2. So that is 2 into 0 is 0. I am expanding here. So 1 into, use this column, use this row. 6, 1, y1. Minus 2 into 3, 1, x1 plus 1 into 3, 6, xy. See, now 0 into, so 0 is equal to 1 into bracket, 6 into 1 is 6 minus y. Minus 2 into bracket, 3 into 1 is 3 minus x. Plus 1 into bracket, 3y minus 6x. Right, so therefore 0 is equal to 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into minus y is minus 1. Minus 2 into 3 is plus 6, minus into minus plus 2x, plus 1 into 3y, 3y, 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So therefore, plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. So see here, so 2x minus 6x, so minus y, see here, so minus y plus 3y, minus y plus 3y is plus 2y, right? So 2x minus 6x, what is 2x minus 6x? Minus 4x. That is 2y minus 4x is equal to 0, or 2y is equal to 4x. So then what is y? Y is equal to 2x. Right? I am expanding here. 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into minus y is minus y. Minus 2 into plus 3 minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x plus 2x. 1 into 3y is 3y. 1 into minus 6x is minus 6x. Plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. Minus y plus 3y is plus 2y. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. So therefore 2y minus 4x is 0. 2y is equal to 4x, or y is equal to 2x. So this is the equation of a line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. We can verify. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. We are getting the LHS is equal to RHS. Put y is equal to 2. That is 2 is equal to 2 into 1. So we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore our answer is correct. Right? So this is the equation of a line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. So we'll solve one more problem. See. The same concept, we'll solve one more problem. Find the equation of a line joining. Find the equation of a line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3. Find the equation of a line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinant. See, say, so let us take the point A as 3, 1, point B as 9, 3. Already told you. Let us consider point C as x, y on the line joining AB. Right? Same. Let us consider point C is equal to x, y on the line joining AB. Therefore, A, B, C are wholly. Right? So there is another line AB is there. So this is A and B. I am considering one more point C on the line joining AB. So now the points A, B, C are wholly. So next is here. So apply the formula. So that is area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into determinant of x1, y11, x2, y21, x3. So what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is 0 since the points are wholly here. That that is 1 by 2 into determinant of x1. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is x3 y2. So what is x1 y1? 3 1 1. x2 y2 9 3 1. x3 y3 x y 1. Right. So now to cross multiply this, 0 into 2 is 0 is equal to 3 into determinant of new this column, new this row. 3 1 y1. Then minus 1 into determinant of new this column, new this row. 9 1 x1. Already know what x1 is. Second sign, this is plus minus plus. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Plus into plus is plus. Next. So 3 into 3 1 y1. So minus 1 into new this column, new this row. 9 1 x1. Then plus 1 into here. So new this column, new this row. That is 9 3 xy. 9 3 x. Is it clear, friends? Now expand that. So that is 0 is equal to CF. So 3 into bracket 3 into 1 is 3 minus y into 1 is y. Next minus 1 into bracket 9 into 1 is 9 minus x into 1 is x. So plus 1 into bracket. So 9 into y is 9y minus x into 3 is 3. Just I am expanding this. So that is 3 into 1 is 3 minus y. So minus 1 into bracket 9 into 1 is 9 minus x plus 1 into bracket 9 into y is 9y minus 3x. Now it is 0 is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into minus y minus 3y. Right? So minus 1 into plus 9 minus 9 minus into minus into minus is plus x. Right? So then 1 into 9y is 9y. 1 into minus 3x is. Now plus 9 minus 9 will get cancelled. Now minus 3y here. Minus 3y plus 9y. So 0 is equal to minus 3y plus 9y is 6y. So x minus 3x. Right? So minus 3y plus 9y is 6y. X minus 3x. X minus 3x is minus. So therefore 6y minus 2x is equal to 0, or 2x, or you can write that is 2x is equal to 6y. So then what is x? What is x? 6 by 2 is 3. And taking 2x here, so minus 2x will become plus 2x is equal to 6y. So then what is x? So here, what is x? That is 6y divided by 2. That is 2 1 are 2 3 are. So then what is x? X is equal to 3y. This is the equation of a line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 1. Right? So here, in area of triangle concept we have studied the 4 things. That is first, they have given the 3 vertices. We have to find the area of triangle. Next, show that the 3 points are collinear. Next one is they have given the area of triangle. We have to find the value of k. And the fourth one is we have to find the area of we have to find the equation of a line joining the 2 given points. In these 4 sections, there will be definitely one question on 2 marks. They may ask you to find area of triangle, or they may ask you to find the value of k, or they may ask you to prove that the 3 points are collinear, or they may ask you to find the equation of a line. So this completes the concept of area of triangle using determinants. In the next class, we will go for minor sign cofactors, and based on minor sign cofactors, we have matrix method which is of 5 marks. So that we start in the next class. Thank you.